Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ah, welcome around the world and welcome to my world. Welcome to Healthy G Moms. Ooh, ooh. Welcome, you guys. Welcome back to LA. Welcome back to Healthy G Mom. I am giving you a shout out from Los Angeles, California, United States of America. Mhm. I want to thank all of my new subscribers and thank all of my old subscribers. I am so thankful and I am so grateful for you guys being a part of my world. It makes my heart beat so fast. And I enjoy you guys. I'm thankful and grateful for everyone. If you're a content creator, if you are new or if you old, if you coming with love, that's all I need. Because that's what Healthy G Mom is about. Don't you see? I'm in my garden of love. Things that I am raising, things that I am proud of, and things that I give love every day. I give love to me, and I give love to my plants, my garden of love. Yes, indeed. But today, I'm going to talk to you guys about tags. Tags. Hashtags. Things that can help you, your channel. If you're a content creator and you want to grow, this goes hand in hand with everything that you're doing, right? So let's walk over out of my garden of love to the computer. Yes, indeed. Stand by. Stand by. All right. It's kind of sunny outside. Yes, it's very sunny. It's in Los Angeles, California. Yes, indeed. In Los Angeles, California. Guess what? It's 90-some degrees. Yes, it is. And at what? 6 o'clock? 6 p.m. So it's 94. Yes, it is. But if you can see, Healthy G Mom has been sweating. It's okay. I'm over here in my studio. And don't pay attention to my background because Healthy G Mom has been busy shredding paperwork, have been busy moving my garden around, have been busy with all kind of things, right? So pay attention to me and my computer. But before I continue, I want to stress again what tags, there's tags. There's tags. What are tags? And do tags matter? And common mistakes, right? Tags are words or phrases related to your video. Tags are words or phrases that are related to your video, right? Things that you are talking about, things that you want people to know, right? Now, that's what a tag is. And hashtag, that's why it is important to put it on your video, right? Now, I don't know if you know this, but YouTube is the second largest search engine. So Google is the first search engine that people go to and they're trying to learn something or they're trying to be a part of or they just want to be entertained. That's what Google is searching and that's what YouTube is about, right? Second largest search engine. People want to learn something. Google, you're trying to search. You go to Google and they take you to a video, YouTube video, right? So it's important for you to know what you're recording because when you do this, the tags, what it does, it helps YouTube put you in an algorithm. Whether it's going to be a high algorithm or in the low or not at all. So it's important to tell YouTube, and that's what YouTube. So I used to didn't put tags. I had learned it in my class, but it was so much work that you have to do that I just became a little lazy. And I stopped doing the tags. But I do know YouTube tags are very important because they go hand in hand with your thumbnail. They go hand in hand with your description. they go hand in hand with your video. Because again, I state that what a tag is about, a tag is information for YouTube to put your video out into the algorithm. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a system that where people can find you. They're putting you out there in the YouTube world where people can say, hey, this channel is about animals. This channel is about healthy lifestyles, whatever it is, right? So let's go over here to the computer, and I'm going to go to YouTube, right? If you can see this, right here, you see it says YouTube, and I am in the YouTube area, right? So I'll click on YouTube, and it's going to take me to a page, right? YouTube. And what I'll do is I'll go into the YouTube, right over where you see my name, my picture. I'm going to click on there, and you see where it says YouTube channel or YouTube studio. You click into the YouTube studio, right? And then when you click into YouTube studio, you're going to go into where it says where your videos are, right? And there's a left side and there's a right side. The left side of the page under YouTube studio, and that picture, you see dashboard, content, playlist, analytics, comments, subtitles, all the way down to settings, right? But you see the latest video performance. I'm going to go into here. You're going to click on your video. There's different ways to go, but I'm going to show you, trying to show you an easy way. You click on there. If you click on, you go into content, I'm sorry. And then if you click on it, you'll click on the video, right? And you see where it says video details, and then it has the title, right? And then it has description. And if you cursor down, there's a thumbnail, right? Playlist, audience. And guess what? You see what this is? Tags. I erased all my tags, right? Because I wanted to make sure that you saw that it's empty. And underneath it, now, this is another tool that I have on here. I don't pay for it. It's free. But that's something that helps, that can help you if you are interested in it. And that's Video IQ, right? VidIQ is what they basically, but they'll have like tags, that's recommended tags. And again, you can sign up for it and not pay for it. But there's people that pay for the Video IQ boost, and it helps you a little bit more. But for me, I don't pay for it. They'll give me basic, so YouTube setup. So this video is about how to set up YouTube videos, and you see this, YouTube setup. So it gives me things that I might be interested in. But let's go and look what a tag look like. I'm going to go into settings and show you where I have already set up some tags, right? Now, if you can see here, you see this? This is what the tags look like. So back again to this video, how to set up YouTube videos. If you go over here, it says Healthy G-Mom, and it has a whole bunch of different tags that I have set up about how to, right? So real quick, so the answer to the question, does tags matter? Yes, I would say so, because again, it goes hand in hand with your thumbnails. And if you don't know what a thumbnail is, I can make a video about that, right? But basically, it goes with your thumbnails. It goes with the video itself, and so that helps you get into the algorithm, right? And so that's what, when they say a tag, it is, they have a place that is set up just for tags. You see why it's labeled, right? And in this tab, you get 500. There's a 500. So right, if you can see here, I have 440, but they give you 500 characters. And characters are what? Words. You can use up to 500. I've already got like 440 of words. Now, you can go all the way to 500. But there is a such thing as over tagging. Tags, that's too much tagging. Tag stuffing. If you overstuff, like, we'll go back into the main videos. We're going to close it. We're going to go back into the main video. I'll cancel details, right? Right here. And we'll go up. And you see this area right here. In the description, it's strictly for descriptions. And title is strictly for titles. Now, some people, like me on my shorts, and some of my videos, I will put a hashtag or a tag in my title
if I have enough room, I only put maybe one or two, and a description, one or two. But when they say tag stuffing, if you put a lot of tags, guess what? People are getting in trouble for that. YouTube does not like tag stuffing. There's a word, I didn't even know that existed. Tag stuffing. So too many tags in the wrong area will get you in trouble. I was told that you cannot have more than 3. You're not supposed to have more than 3 in the description, in the tag, in the title. You're supposed, because they give you a place that's set just for, you see this? Tags. This word, tags, can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tagged play a minimal role in helping viewers find your videos. You see what I'm saying? Videos, that's what it does. Tags, again, are word phrases related to your video. Words or phrases that let YouTube know what your video is all about. Keywords, they say different things. Keywords, hashtags, hashtags or tags. But again, these are keywords or tags or hashtags to do what again? To let YouTube know what your video is all about, right? So answer that question. I answered it. Do tags matter? Yes. And what are the common mistakes? Tag stuffing. Putting your tags in other areas other than the design area for your tags. 500 words. You see that? They give you 500 words, characters, words, to put your tag information so YouTube can put you out in the algorithm. Yes, and YouTube is a computer. Remember, YouTube is a computer, and it lets YouTube know what your channel is all about. You got that? Adding tags to your YouTube is very important to getting YouTube to know you and bring more traffic your way, right? It gets more views on YouTube, right? So, yes, tags, hashtags. If you need to know more about it, I was trying to show you again. I'll go back here and go into settings. You can go into settings and you see where in my uploaded videos, uploaded defaults, that's what a tag will be. How to grow on YouTube. YouTube help. Hashtag in front of it. It sets it up and you get 500 words. You see that? 500 characters. Those will help YouTube. Again, if I didn't say it correctly or if you didn't hear me, it lets YouTube know who you are, what your video is about, what is your point, right? And please don't overstuff YouTube tags in wrong areas because they give you an area that is strictly for your tags. Woo! I hope I said enough for you guys. Shout out to you guys from Los Angeles, California. Healthy G Mom is all about helping herself grow because I'm a new YouTube channel. I haven't even been on, it's almost a year for me in July coming up, right? So I'm still learning. I'm still learning just like you guys, right? They consider me as a new YouTuber because it hasn't been a year, right? I want you guys to win. I want myself to win. Yes, indeed. Right? We can all get to the top together. I believe in each one, teach one. And you're not paying me. I'm not paying you. So why not help each other? We can do this together, right? I've put out a whole bunch of videos. Watch my playlist. I have a playlist full of all kind of things that's helping me grow and that can help you grow. I don't have editing. I don't have the income as of right now to do a lot of fancy stuff. So what you see is what you get with Healthy G Mom. Her garden of love, her juicing, her videos that's trying to show you how I'm doing okay. Now, my goal is to get more, like millions of subscribers. I am in the short program, YouTube short program, and I am on YouTube. I'm monetized. So I know a little stuff. I'm still learning, just like you though.
right? I'm still learning, and I want you again to win. So come on and win, win, win. Shout out to you guys from Los Angeles, California.